Hello, welcome to another unboxing. Obviously, you can see the Global Avenger and Gravedigger 2-pack, but there's also other trucks here, as you can see. Steel, Reveal, Double Decker. There's more back here, but... So I'm going to get the unboxing started. Oh, jeez, that's hard. I'm gonna have to get that. There's Avenger Global and just Gravedigger. Really happy that I finally found this 2-pack. So let's start with definitely one of my favorite trucks ever, Global Avenger. So as you can see, it's the Global sign on the top of the truck here with slap and stick and steps and a star. Pretty sure that's Florida. I'm not completely sure though. Sorry if I'm wrong. And then green stripes going across. Global there. Avenger. Cone. It says cone something. No, it just says cone. And then Monster Jam symbol there. Environmental and industrial response. Global again on the hood. Then green headlights, silver grille. Then it's the same on the other side. Yeah, it is. Then back cut out here. Really excited that I finally found this truck. Silver roll cage, black chassis, green rims, and black tires. That's the Avenger Global. And now for the not so special one, Gravedigger. So it's a Gravedigger green ghost. As usual, there's the graveyard there, and the ghost there, and the pink, yeah, I would say that's pink kind of like circles and things, and then bad to the bone on top. So, yeah, then same on the other side. So, silver roll cage, black chassis, green rims, black tires, and then the usual kind of Gravedigger. So, yeah. Next 2-pack that I found earlier, it's Mohawk Warrior versus Stone Crusher. This will be my... How many Mohawk Warriors do I have? I have 2 other Mohawk Warriors. May have another one. I'm not sure. So this is... Yeah, no, this is going to be my 3rd Mohawk Warrior that I have. So... like to keep the cardboard cutouts, kind of. So, yeah. Stone Crusher. Let's start on him. Mine has this kind of bit of a spiky bit there. Anyway, so as you can see, there's stones here, like sunlight, stones on the roof of the car. That's what I'm going to say. That just looks like stone to me. That's probably the point. And then the black grill. Extremely muscly man for there. With the campfire, creating a campfire. As you can see, the fire's going across. And then it says Stone Crusher there. Carved in stone, obviously. And then there's that dude again. Bashing stones. And then it's obviously Stone Crusher again, back headlights, Monster Jam there, blue kind of base for the entire thing, and then it's just the same on this side as the other side. So, black roll cage and blue chassis, blue tires, and gray rims. Pretty awesome looking truck. Now it's just normal Mohawk Warrior, great clips. Is it just me, or does that look weird if you just see that? But anyway, then it's like purple tires and gray rims, black chassis, No, black roll cage, purple chassis. It's just the usual. Not sure if that's different there, like that gray stripe, but apart from that, it's the same as usual. So, and the final 2-pack that I have today is Blue Thunder versus Full Charge. Sorry, I'm just working out with the rubbish here. We can put that there. Anyway, let's start with Full Charge, shall we? So, Full Charge. This is a very interesting truck. So it says Full Charge there. It's just plain white roof. I'm calling that fuel cap from now on. Little paint chips on here, but no big deal. Then kind of like pink purple lightning bolts on the side with a bit of pink. Same with the front, it's just lightning bolts, kind of. Full Charge, pink Monster Jam symbol. Then that pink, whatever you call it. And then pink backlights or whatever. And bumper, I'm pretty sure that's a bumper, pink bumper. So, pretty cool truck. Don't have that much to say about it though. So anyway, kind of like a pinkish roll cage with same color for the tires, white chassis, white rims. So yeah, well, on the other hand, the Blue Thunder doesn't look as good compared to Full Charge in my opinion. Too much blue on here. But yeah, it's just a usual Blue Thunder. This is gonna be my 3rd or 4th Blue Thunder that I have, I'm not sure. Anyway, there's the headlights there, back tail lights, that's what you call them, okay. Feel the energy. Then Blue Thunder with all the lightning, Monster Jam, dark blue, base, and then, yeah, same on this side, not much to say about it. And then it's like dark blue kind of roll cage, blue tires, white rims, white chassis. So yeah, that's it for that. Those two. Now the more I look at stuff, that's Mohawk Warrior rolling back. Wants to be more on camera. Wants to have more screen time. Now it's Double Decker Reveal the Steel. I think it was Bullseye who said this in our RC Family Gaming stream that said that the Steel Reveal series is one of the most useless series in Spinmaster. Honestly, I agree, though. So, but for Double Decker, looks awesome. Apart from like the random color, I have no clue what's happening there. But yeah, so you can see there's rust here, there, and then like weird colorations on the barrels, probably rust also. Same on this side. Monster Jam symbol, Double Decker, then kind of like a more rust there. Honestly, pretty cool truck here. So it says Double Decker on the front. That's what it said on the grill. Okay, and then headlights, green chassis, blue roll cage, red rims, black tires. It's kind of a random, apart from like this, the wheels and tires. The roll cage and the chassis is just a bit random for me. As you can see, it's like two cars on top of each other. So, oh yeah, headlights here also. And then like, forgot what you call these. Honestly, forgot. Looks super cool, Double Decker. So yeah. Now, which one of the three should I do next? I'll do Fuel Academy next, from Series 31. So, I have not I do not have any of the chase pieces from this year. None of them. Could have gotten Swine and Dash, but I chose Earthshaker instead of that, so. Anyway, Fuel Academy, nothing much to say about this truck, but apart from that, it has, like, a grill here. It looks really weird, this front part. And then it says Fuel Academy there with some headlights. Stop sign, Fuel Academy, Monster Jam. I wish they would make another higher education, and it's kind of like black here, here, and here. Fuel Academy, tail lights, fuel, stripes, Fuel Academy, Monster Jam. Like I said, black roll cage, silver chassis, white rims, black tires. Nothing much to say about that truck, as I said. So I'll save one of the best for last. So, next we have Fire Rescue, or is it, yeah, Fire Rescue. For a second I thought it said Fire and Rescue, no, it's just Fire Rescue. I saw this didn't come in any of the others, so, okay. Fire and Rescue, what to say about it? So yeah, grill there, like Fuel Academy. Flames, this is a pretty heavy truck, so it may win one of the sign-up series later in the future. Then, as you can see, it's like, forgot what you call them. Anyway, white stripe with 2 small yellow stripes on the side, more flames coming out of the exhaust there. That's what you called it. Okay. And then, firefighter sign, I think, Monster Jam there. Few handles, Fire Rescue, Monster Jam there. And firefighter sign there. Kind of looks a bit weird, the back, because it's a bit small, but does it remind you, like, if you haven't seen the short, it's on Disney Plus, where Mater goes up against, like, a monster truck. I forgot what you call hospital monster truck, I guess. I'm not sure. And then it's like white and red stripes there, tail lights everywhere, and the doors. Can you actually see through those doors? I'm not sure. Can you? Yeah, you can. Oh, did not realize that. Black roll cage, silver chassis, red rims, black tires. Pretty heavy truck, so. Last but not least, Son of a Digger. Definitely not least Son of a Digger, so yeah. Basically, it's it has BKT printing, blue rims, purple roll cage, and black chassis. I'm just gonna say that straight away. Then this is my first spinmaster, first ever review of Son of a Digger. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of like not mullet, mohawk. With spikes on the skull there. You can see it better, even better on the top with the blue flames on the front. That grill looks beautiful. And then the light blue headlights there. Son of a Digger with the flames. With the purple bandana. Red eyes. Lost shading on that skull. Like, as you can see, it's like white moon, the dead tree, and then a graveyard with a lot of trucks. Gonna try and make them out. Not sure if I can, or no, I think most of them are upside. I think that's Gravedigger up there. I'm not sure. And that's a Gravedigger, okay. And then it's the exact same on this side. So yeah, there's a flame there. There's a lot of details on this truck. Then son of a digger, and then nothing on the back. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite trucks. And yeah, that's it for the unboxing video. And yeah, see you in the next one.